After my last video about Alphamark Capital Garden Elerangbe Ibeju-Lekki, I received a call from an investor and he said, "You have been showing videos of the front view of this estate. I want to see what the inside looks like." So I listened. Today's video is about taking you inside the estate with exclusive drone footage so that you see exactly what you are investing in. As you watch, you will notice that we have already carried out several batches of physical land allocation. You can clearly see the beacons and plot demarcations on the allocated plots. You will also see some subscribers inspecting their properties, and even one of our clients who has already built a dwarf fence around his 1000 square meter plots. This is proof that Alphamark Capital Gardens is not just a promise, it is a real growing investment. As I've mentioned in my previous video that this estate is strategically located in Elerangbe Ibeju-Lekki, it is close to the proposed Lekki International Airport. It is also close to major development like the Lagos City, the Lekki Deep Seaport, the Lekki Free Trade Zone, the Dangote Refinery and the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. And it's also enjoying access to the proposed regional road that connects Ibeju-Lekki to Badore in Ajah, that connects Ibeju-Lekki to Freedom Way in Lekki. With all these landmark projects surrounding this location, the future value of properties here is extremely promising. Don't wait until the price goes up. Give me a call, send me a DM so I can help you reserve plots here at Alphamark Capital Gardens in the beautiful city of Ibeju-Lekki and become a part of the future of Ibeju-Lekki. Secure today, build tomorrow, prosper forever.